Hey there, Tulsa. It's Jonathan Witte, General Manager for the Oliveto Italian Bistro here at 91st and Memorial. It's been great connecting with you over these past few weeks, and let me show you how to make some of our delicious dishes. Today we're making one of my personal favorites, the Rigatoni Rustica. The Rigatoni Rustica actually started out as a seasonal menu item a few years ago, but it was so popular we added it to our core menu. This entree features both chicken and shrimp tossed in a creamy Alfredo marsala sauce. It's extremely rich and delicious. Let's head back to the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. To make our Rigatoni Rustica, we start with a heated saute pan. And as we all know, all great recipes start with butter. We put in an ounce of melted butter, a teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of diced yellow onions, and about a ½ ounce of bacon. Oliveto likes to use jalapeno infused bacon for some of that added kick. Then we add about an ounce of sun-dried tomatoes. We'll saute these ingredients together for about 45 seconds or so until the onions become translucent. Next, we'll add about 3 ounces of large shrimp. Shrimp do tend to cook quickly, so we'll cook these for about a minute before adding the 3 ounces of sliced grilled chicken. Next, we'll hit the pan with about an ounce of marsala cooking wine and 6 ounces of our creamy Alfredo sauce. We'll let this pan sauce thicken for about 45 seconds, and then we'll add about 8 ounces of our cooked rigatoni pasta. Here at Oliveto we like to use rigatoni in this dish because it's a wider, tubular pasta, which is great for a thicker sauce. We'll toss to make sure all ingredients are mixed well and that all of the pasta is coated with the sauce. Next, we transfer the pasta to a casserole dish and top with 1 ounce of grated Asiago cheese. We pop this in our pizza oven and bake until the cheese is slightly melted and the dish is bubbly. Finally, we'll garnish with fresh chopped parsley. So that's it. Now you know how to make one of our most popular specialty pastas, the Rigatoni Rustica. If this entree looks good to you, let us make one for you today. Call or order online at olivetobistro.com for our friendly curbside service. If you prefer delivery, you can always use one of our delivery partners, DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to feeding you soon.